Vermicomposting is a composting method that involves using worms to break down organic waste materials into nutrient-rich compost. It's a great way to recycle kitchen scraps and other organic materials while producing valuable soil amendments for your garden. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make vermicompost. Materials you'll need: worm bin. You'll need a container to house the worms and organic waste. This can be a purchased worm bin or a homemade one. Worms. Red wigglers, Eisenia fetida, are the most commonly used worms for vermicomposting. Bedding material. Shredded newspaper, cardboard, coconut coir, or a mixture of these materials provide a comfortable bedding for the worms. Organic waste. Kitchen scraps such as fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, and non-greasy food waste. Moisture. A spray bottle or a method to add moisture when needed. Steps. Set up the bin. Drill or create small holes at the bottom of the bin for drainage and aeration. Place a layer of damp bedding material in the bin. This will serve as the worms' habitat and a place for them to lay their eggs. Add worms. Place the worms on top of the bedding. Start with a small population and allow it to grow over time. Add organic waste. Start by adding a thin layer of kitchen scraps to the bin. Bury the scraps slightly in the bedding to prevent fruit flies and odors. Avoid adding meat, dairy, oily foods, and anything that might attract pests. Maintain moisture. Worms need them raw. It's important to choose the right type of organic fertilizer based on your plant's specific needs and the characteristics of your soil. Keep in mind that while organic fertilizers offer numerous benefits, they may have lower nutrient concentrations compared to some synthetic fertilizers. Regular soil testing can help you make informed decisions about nutrient application and maintain a healthy, productive garden.